Hello students, I am Himlata Bath and you all are welcome in my class. Today I have come with a very new subject and this is English 1 for class 1. Look at this book. This book is very new to all of you, right? Today we will begin our first chapter from this book. And this is your grammar book, So let's get started, The first lesson is about naming words. Okay, tell me, do you have your name? Everything has a name, Everything has a name. Look at me. This is pencil and this is pen, right? What is this? This is a book. In this way, this is a table. And if we look around us, we do get many things that have names. So everything around us has a name of their own, right? In this way, every names are naming words. Naming words help us to say who we are, who you are, and what the things are. Without name, can you call them? No, we cannot call any things. We cannot ask for any things without their name. So, every names are called naming words. Boy, child, girl, chair, table, pencil, book, bed. These all are naming words because they have their names, right? And there are some names that are very special, and we point out that special names. Then they become special names, and special names always begin with capital letter. Okay, like you all have heard the names of Delhi, Kolkata, then Mount Everest, Himalaya, right? These words are written with the capital letter in first, right? These are special names. When we point out one particular thing, that you, I am pointing out you are particular. What is your name? For example, Aradhya, then you are the special name, right? So these are special names. I am a girl. If here are so many girls, they all are called girls, but we have our names. I am Himlata, here may be Aradhya, and here may be Pallavi. They have their different names. They all have their special names, right? Special names are different, not the same. Every person is given a special name of his or her own. What is it? Special name is your own name. My name is Himlata Bath. Yours is Aradhya Paul. Hers is Pallavi Das, right? And his is Orko Prabhu Chakraborty. So these are our special names. And special names always begin with capital letter. Okay? Only the first letter in capital. And the surname's first letter should be also in capital. So these are special names, and other names are very common names like girl, boy, child, pencil, eraser, table, chair. They are only naming words, but not our special names. Okay? Now I will tell you about male and female. What is a male and what is a female? These are gender, but I don't think you will understand. So I'm telling you very simply. Male means a boy and female means a girl. Like I'm a girl, but you may be a boy, right? So a boy and a girl. Boy is a male and girl is a female, right? In this way, some animals also may be male and female. Male animals, female animals. Dog is male and bitch is female. Lion is male, lioness is female. Tiger is male, tigress is female. And in case of us, mother female and male, father, uncle male and aunt female. Male and female show us that we are different to one another, right? We are different to one another. I am a girl, you are a boy. Okay? This is male and female. Next I will show you from your book. Here are so many examples, right? So let's come to the book hurriedly.